SmartCut Quote: Seamless laser quoting with DXF import solutions. Importing DXF files can often lead to frustrations when it comes to laser cutting because of compatibility and formatting issues. In order to address and resolve DXF import issues, SmartCut Quote has developed a comprehensive set of tools and features. You can focus on what matters most by using our laser quoting software to provide seamless, hassle-free quoting. Fragmented or incomplete geometry is a common issue encountered when importing DXF file. This can lead to errors during the quote process, resulting in inaccurate and imperfect cuts. With SmartCut Quote, DXF files are analyzed and missing or incomplete geometry is detected and repaired intelligently. By resolving these issues interactively, our software ensures that your designs are complete and ready for precise laser quoting. SmartCut Quote offers a powerful feature for removing double lines or overlapping line. In just a few clicks, you can highlight open curves, select entities using the window pick tool, and effortlessly delete them, resulting in clean and accurate cutting parts. You can easily delete unnecessary title blocks and entities with our intuitive interface. You can simply select the part you wish to retain and select the Delete Rest option from the right-click menu. This simplifies the process of quoting, enabling you to concentrate on your design essentials elements. It is possible to use SmartCut Quote to apply secondary operations such as bending and etching without difficulty. By selecting the relevant bend lines and etching entities and applying the desired operations from the right-click menu, our software automatically calculates the associated costs. The streamlined approach ensures accurate quoting and saves time. SmartCut Quote offers a range of additional features, such as the ability to split a single DXF file into multiple parts, which simplifies the process of quoting multiple components. Our parametric 2D CAD tools are also designed to reduce design time and increase productivity by enabling the quick creation of 2D parts. SmartCut Quote eliminates DXF import issues and provides a seamless laser quote experience. Our software provides efficient tools for double lines removal, entity deletion, secondary operations, and more, while resolving fragmented geometry, simplifying conversions, and optimizing workflows. Take advantage of seamless DXF import and elevate your laser cutting capabilities with SmartCut Quote.